Hi family, good afternoon. My name is Joan again. I'm back at you with another DIY project, DIY bottle arts. Very simple to do. This one in the picture here uses my night light. In the night, I bought the LED light from Target and I use this as my night light. It's very practical, very practical. These are some of the bottles that I used. These are some that I did, some with rope, some with marbles, some with LED lights. And I used some colored glue from Dollar Tree, and I make squiggly lines on the empty bottle, different colors, squiggly lines, and I use marbles. So different color marbles gonna go onto different color squiggly lines, if that make any sense. That give it a nice glitter inside of the bottle. This is a bottle I did a couple years ago. I used hot glue gun in this one, and this is a Moscato blue bottle, so the background is blue. It's very beautiful. And I use hot glue gun. This was like 2 years ago and it still hold up. But I thought let me use the other glue instead of instant glue to see how well it holds up. But this one, it was really beautiful. Beautiful bottle. So I'm going to use the other bottle now, this one, and I'm going to use these little instant glue that I got from Dollar Tree. This is a packet. It's a very tiny glue, very small. Yeah, this is how it looks. I think 3 in a pack. You have to be very careful with that glue. It sticks instantly, so you have to be very careful with your fingers. You just put a little bit on the bottle, as I'm doing here, and then you just attach the marbles, and you go all the way up to the top until you get all over the all over the bottles. And I think I use only blue and green marbles. That's all I use, blue and green marbles. You just continue the process until you complete the whole bottle. So the whole bottle is covered with marbles. You could also add a LED light to that bottle if you wish, but I didn't do that with this bottle. That's all it takes. And it seems to be holding up well, the glue. This glue don't last that long. I mean, it's just a little tiny pack, so you really have to get a lot of glue. Just hold it on for a few seconds and there you go. It's stuck on. And that's it. That's all. Thanks for watching. This is a finished project.